right, so we've shopped this morning, showed you some looks, but now let's get you ready for entertaining. Our friend Chef Courtney Hill is back to show off some yummy ideas as the family comes to town for the holidays. Good morning.
Good morning.
You ready for the holidays?
I am. I feel pretty good.
Yes,
Yeah.
she feels good because, you know, you probably heard me earlier. I was like, you know what, the wrapping paper is still in the wrapper.
Oh.
We're
Okay, I haven't wrapped my gifts yet, but
Yeah.
I have bought them.
Good,
so that's nice.
So what did you bring in today that we can make it home for our guests?
I have brought some fun Christmas appetizer dessert things.
Okay.
So these are some things that I have seen, you've probably seen on Instagram or TikTok or Pinterest. So I'm going to show you how to make some fun things. This is kind of a technique here. You can either use puff pastry or croissants, which is what I have here. And really, the fillings are endless.
Okay.
The options. You could do sweet, you could do savory. I've done ham and cheese today. So I have a bottom crust, the meat and the cheese, and I'm going to put the top crust on.
Okay.
And you just, and on that one, I put some honey mustard. You know, you can really do whatever you want. I've seen people do pesto. I've seen people do
Really?
pizza. They've done breakfast ones, and then you just kind of cut it into strips.
Okay. Because I was wondering if you can
Yes.
see right here at the front of your screen, she's kind of like wrapped it
Yes.
around
You take
and made it a
the
Christmas
strip
tree.
and just kind of wrap it up,
Oh.
and then put a skewer into it to keep it baking. Keep it shaped while baking. And I kind of like to spread it out a little bit because it will, you know, it's puff pastry. It'll puff up a little bit.
Okay.
So then when you bake it, it turns into this. And then I've
Voila.
used my cookie cutter to do a little star.
At the top.
At the top for the little cheese star. It's so cute.
Look how cute that is.
Super fun, super easy. Anyone can do this. And you could do multiple flavors.
Okay, I definitely have to try that
Yes.
too. I know my family's watching. My kiddo is home from school, so he's probably like, Mom, we're making these tonight.
This is a hit.
Okay, so what do we have
The
here?
next one here is a butter candle. I don't know if you've heard of this.
No.
But what I did is I melted a stick of butter, poured it into a cup, and then put a wick in it. I used beeswax wick, and let it kind of congeal back up. So I put it in the fridge, and then you take it out of the candle or out of the cup, you light it, and then as it melts, it gets butter all over your bread.
I like that.
Really fun and super impressive. People look at this and they're like, oh my goodness,
And then
what
you
a great
also
idea.
have some sweets over here.
Yes, this is one of my favorite Christmas recipes. It's kind of like fruitcake, but tastes good.
Okay.
So it's got maraschino cherries. It's a cherry chocolate chip cake. And it makes great gifts.
Yeah, I see
so
you-
I make
you
it in the
bag
little
them up
mini
right here.
loaves, and you
Yeah.
wrap it up, and people really love that.
I love that. Okay, so before you go, we talked about this contest that you're in.
Yes.
And I saw you posted yesterday that you have made it to the final round.
Well, I think there's 2 more rounds. So
Okay.
I've made it past the top 20, top 15, and right now I'm number 11, and
So
the
we need
next
to-
one is top 10.
Okay, so everyone, we
So-
need to get Courtney to the top 10. How can we do that?
Yeah, click on the voting link down there and just keep voting. I think it ends for this round tomorrow evening.
Okay.
So get those votes in.
All right, well, everyone, make sure we get Courtney to the next round. Happy holidays to you. And
Happy
I look forward to making some of
holidays.
these.
Yeah.